Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Organized by Darcy, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today, in anticipation of the holidays, I've decided to do a little bit of gift wrapping early. Come with me and let me show you what I've done so far. Thanks to Cheryl from Around the House with Cheryl and Denise from This and That with Denise Jordan for hosting the great gift wrap collab. I am always so excited to participate in these collabs. First, I decided to get some gifts for my grandkids' teachers. And I have 2 grandkids and they're 4 teachers. So what I did, I went to the local Bath and Body Works store and purchased some items that I have in these containers. Let me show you what the containers look like first, and then I'll show you what's inside. So this is the container here. So this one has 2 pencils, the lotion, and a gift card from Starbucks. So this is what this looks like. The gift card is in this mailbox from Santa Claus, and the pencils are outside of the box here. So this is what they look like outside. The lotion that I got, this one says thankful, and it's a new lotion that they just got in at the store. So I figured if the teachers didn't like it, they could always take it back and exchange it for something else. I'm sure everyone goes to Bath and Body Works shop. And so this is what I got for all 4 teachers. But some are wrapped in, like in this case, it's a little box here. And the gift card is inside this one. Pencils are on the outside. And here they are. So these are all 4 gifts. 1, 2, 3, and the one that's already gift wrapped, it's this one here. It's all nicely gift wrapped. And of course I have to, this other gift here is one that I have to donate to my golf luncheon, at my golf luncheon. Ladies golf luncheon. And so the way I've wrapped it is it's just 4 dinner plates in there, holiday dinner plates, but the way I've wrapped it is so that they can look and see what's inside, because it's just a raffle and people need to know what's inside before they'll put their tickets in, of course. And it's just a little donation that I did, and we do that every year at our golf luncheon. Then I also did a basket for our gardener, and this one I did a little bit more elaborate because I got groceries and a gift card from Ralph's, our local supermarket, and it's gift wrapped with just some basic grocery items, and that's for our gardeners. So I have at least done a couple gifts all ready for the holidays. So thanks again to both Cheryl and for Denise for hosting this collab. I probably would not have started to gift wrap or even to purchase these gifts. So I'm happy that I did participate, or am participating in the collab, so that at least I'll have this ongoing and get the things done, hopefully before the end of the month. So again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for taking the time to subscribe to my channel. And if you have not already done so, what are you waiting for? Don't forget, go over to both Cheryl and Denise's channels. See the playlist that they have. I'll have it listed in my description box as well when it's available. But watch the videos of all the participants. Subscribe to the channels that you like. And of course, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. That is, if you have not already done so. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.